how to fix the network protocol error in TLauncher Minecraft. So guys, I'm going to show you two methods. At least one of them will fix your problem. Which one works depends on your device and the server. For first method, open the Start menu and search for Control Panel. After that, go to Network and Sharing Center. Then click on Change Adapter Settings. Here, find your Wi-Fi, right-click on it and open Properties. Now select Internet Protocol Version. Then click on Properties again. In the DNS section, type 8.8.8.8 in the first box. In the second box, type 8.8.4.4. Click OK at the end. If this method doesn't work for you, then yeah, the second method might be better. For second method, open the Start menu and search for CMD. Run CMD as administrator. Now you need to enter 3 commands. First command, type IP protocol configuration /flushtons and press enter. Second command, type IP protocol configuration /renew and press enter. Last command, type netsh winsock reset. Once you see the reset message, restart your PC so the changes can apply. This should fix your problem. Got any issues? Share in the comments. Thanks for watching.